Hello travelers, welcome to the roads that never ends and story that never fades. In this video, I will show you step by step how to book an appointment for Croatia easily. So make sure you watch this video till end.
First, open Google and search for VFS Global Croatia. Click on the official VFS Global website only. And please avoid third party or agent website. Now select Saudi Arabia as your country of residence. Then choose Croatia as the destination country. Here you will see the available VFS centers. Select the center nearest to you. Next step, you have to click on book appointment. If you already have an account, log in using your email and password. If not, simply create a new account. It takes only 2 minutes. Select your visa type. For example, tourist visa, business visa, or a family visit. Here I am selecting tourist visa for Croatia. Now carefully fill in all applicant details, full name, passport, contact details, your email ID. Double check everything before moving ahead. Now you will see the appointment calendar. Available dates will be highlighted. Select a suitable date and time slot and click continue. Here is an important tip. Appointments are limited, so check early in the morning or late in the night. So once done, submit the application and pay the fees. And then you will receive an appointment confirmation email. Please download and print this appointment letter. You must carry it to the VFS. This is how you can book your VFS Croatia appointment from Saudi Arabia. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I will reply. Thank you for watching and good luck with your visa. Bye.